Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. If you're here for the very first time, go ahead and smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Alright, for everybody else, welcome back, guys. Alright, I'm back, guys, with another high ticket system. Okay, I actually joined this back in 2020. Haven't done a lot of promoting with it, but I'm going to get back into it because I think it's a great program. It comes with your marketing system. Okay, they have capture pages, they have autoresponder, they have all that already set up for you. All you've got to do is plug into this thing, and the commissions are $700 a pop. Okay, that's the commissions that you're going to make with this program. Let the owner, okay, Marcus Taylor, kind of just give you a snippet what it's all about. Check this out. All right, let's take a look. Unlock the brand ambassador. Check it out.
I want to personally welcome you to the presentation and the opportunity of a lifetime. They call me Marcus Elevation Taylor, aka Marcus Taylor. Listen, this opportunity is for four types of people. People that want to take their money, their mindset, their health, and their relationships to the next dimension. There's no selling, there's no telling, there's no explaining. We'll give you all the resources you need to win. All you got to do is point people to this presentation. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1.
Hey, my name's Danny, and I'm not one for the long, boring videos, so let me get straight to the point. The wealthy 3% of the world's population invest in systems and opportunities that make them money, while the poor 97% of the world's population spend their money solely on food, bills, and entertainment, which takes their money. Are you a part of the wealthy 3% or the poor 97%? If you're not where you want to be, you're in the right place at the right time with an opportunity to profit from one of the largest markets in the world, the $38 billion a year personal development, motivation, and empowerment arena. It's called affiliate marketing. That means leveraging and selling other people's products and services. Services you don't have to provide, products you don't have to create, pack, or ship, and no talking to friends and family if you don't want to. Not only do we give you the resources, training, and tips to attract people that are already looking for an opportunity, but today, when you become an ambassador, you'll get a replicated, secured version of this exact page with your very own referral link. And let me tell you, this presentation does all the selling, telling, explaining, and presenting 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days per year, in every time zone, all across the globe. Here at UE, we've created a very clear path to financial freedom that is not solely dependent on your own efforts, and not like the pyramid schemes or networking marketing companies that pay out a minuscule 5 to 10% and are only built for the seasoned marketer. Whether you're new to the industry of generating income online, or a seasoned 6, 7, or even 8-figure earner, our pay plan is easy to understand and powerful enough to meet your personal financial objectives. We've proven that anybody from any socioeconomic background can create or maintain the lifestyle of their dreams. We've scrupulously crafted a pay plan that, in my opinion, is second to none. It all starts with our course. Today, when you join UE and pick up Marcus's transformational course and bonuses centered around mindset, health, money, relationships, you'll have the option of becoming a paid ambassador, promoting a brand, course, and CEO with millions of views via YouTube and massive global reach and influence. None other than Marcus Elevation Taylor. No other speaker on the internet is sharing over 70% of their course sales with their affiliates. Crazy, right? How would an extra $700 to $1,400 or more per day change your life? We're talking instant and direct pay to your bank account or chosen instant pay portal. Plus, each person you bring into the community that decides to become a paid ambassador is required to pass up their second sale to you. The software does this on autopilot. That means passive residual income on top of your direct sales. With each of your referrals' second sale, you'll earn an additional $700, paid instant and direct. At just 3 direct sales per week over the course of 1 year, you would earn close to $110,000, and that's just 3 sales per week. Many of our ambassadors have made 2 to 3 sales in just 1 day. People from all over the world are diversifying their income through the power of affiliate marketing. Isn't it time you get your piece of that $38 billion pie? Listen, the time is now. Turn a one-time investment of $9.97 into a multi-stream of income. Get back to the person who shared their exclusive presentation link with you and start now.
All right, guys, isn't that a nice presentation that they have there? 5 minutes. It does the selling and telling for you. You make $700 a pop any way you want. Instant pay. All right, so let's go check out. Let me show you some of the capture pages that they have. All right, hang on. All right, this is one of the capture pages right here with the green background. Bank huge commission, spreading motivation with a proven done for you automated system. Let me show you the others. Okay, here's the other one, and as you can see, as I am recording this, folks are opting in and signing up. You see this? Okay, right here, this is live. All right, let's take a look. Okay, I'm in my dashboard, as you can see right here. As I stated, I signed up December 2020. Okay, so you can accept payments any way you want, Stripe, however you want to get paid. It comes with 2 capture pages, 1 sales page, which is the page I was on and I showed you the video, and then they have another, what they call a front page. Let me show you that. Hang on here. Let's see, is it this one? Yes, this page right here. Oh, we are stuck. Hang on a second. Yeah. All right, hold on. Okay, they call this the front page. I like this page as well. Check it out. Very nice page here. He has some great interviews, and this is actually motivation, personal development, health, wealth. It is a great system. Discover the 7 keys of unlocking elevation. I've gone through all the training several times over. If you're in MSB, my software business, this is also in my back office of that. If you join me in that, you can log into your MSB back office and sign up as well. Jeff Long has added this to the My Software Business back office, guys. Okay, that's how powerful this is, that he believes in this as well. Mindset, mentality, health, wealth, the whole shebang. This guy is amazing in what he does. I kind of like to compare him with kind of motivational wise, like a Tony Robbins type of person. Okay, but he gets really deep into the personal development. Okay, but he's on that scale. He does a wonderful job with the training modules. This is a one-time, there's no monthly fees. $9.97 to get this system. You make $700 over and over and over with it. 7 keys course, interviews, motivational videos, monthly reflections, elevation mobile alerts, paid ambassador program, private Instagram community, lifetime access. I really like what he's done with it, and actually he's updated this since I've joined it. So become a brand ambassador. Get started with this thing. I really, really like it. Let me see if I've got a snippet of something you may want to check out. Hang on one second. Yes, this is it. Hang on one second.
Let me start the future look like. I mean, what do you think's in store for the mother, the father, the musician, the executive about to retire, the brand new bright-eyed college grad? What about you? What about me? Do you see a life of struggle, fear, doubt, uncertainty, dysfunction, or something altogether different? See, the future belongs to those who wake up every morning and go after it. The future is apprehended by those who are totally committed to becoming the best version of themselves. We officially open the doors to the future, and I want you and yours to be a part of it. This moment, this community, this opportunity is all for you. The premise of Unlock Elevation is all about my story of how I went from working a dead-end 9-to-5 job with no possibility of a real future to discovering the 7 keys to unlocking elevation as I was crying myself to sleep, wondering how could I change my life. And just like that, I discovered the 7 keys to unlocking elevation. And over the years, I've been able to help over 250,000 people from Malaysia to California become the highest version of themselves. I know what it feels like to live in a 2-bedroom apartment with no heat and no air conditioning. I know what it feels like to be homeless. I know what it feels like to have to sleep in the electrical closet of your cousin's apartment because you have no other place to go. I know what it feels like to literally be in the cold, and I know how to go from 0 to everything that you could have imagined becoming your reality. If you are listening to me and you are that person that feels as though you are stuck in this life and you have not gone anywhere over the years, or you have plateaued, maybe you're a high-level executive and you have plateaued, you've made a couple million, but there's something still inside of you that is begging you to become more. This course is for you. I want to show you inside this course how to become the highest version of yourself. And it starts with my 10-day challenge. And you know what? My 10-day challenge is absolutely free. The future is unlocked with 7 keys. I'll see you on the inside.
Okay, guys, that's Marcus Taylor. You can get into this program and you will see all within the course. This is the type of personal development you're gonna get. I mean, he does a great job with it. Let me see if I can just show you a snippet of a few things. Hang on with me. See, once you get in here, here's the courses and the bonuses, the Circle of Champions. Great stuff in here. As you can see, here we are, 7 keys to unlock elevation. It is some great, really great personal development in here. Great way to evolve, okay, with this training. So check it out. I'm going to put the link in the description. As I stated earlier, if you're in my software business with me, you can go to your back office of my software business and you can actually sign up right from there, or you can just sign up from the link in the description. As I stated, it is in the My Software Business back office that Jeff Long believes in this program, so he added it to his system as well, guys. All right, with that being said, thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. The next time, you guys be safe out there. Have a blessed day. See you on the next video.